Today I'm going to show you a twist on a favourite breakfast dish, high protein waffles with a maple orange sauce, brought to you by Tropicana. This recipe has vitamin C, which comes from the orange juice. The first thing we're going to do is make the maple orange sauce. So we're going to add about 2 cups of orange juice to the pan, and we're going to reduce this down. As the orange juice reduces, it thickens up and it makes this lovely, sweet, bright, fresh sauce. It should have the consistency of honey. The kitchen is filled with this orange fresh bouquet. Now we're going to add the maple syrup to the sauce, and we're just going to stir this in and bring it up to a boil just for 1 minute. And now you have this orange maple sauce. This sauce can be used with waffles, pancakes. It can actually be brought to the dinner table as well. Let's make some waffles. In my food processor, I'm going to add some old-fashioned oats, but you could use gluten-free oats if you wished. We're also going to be using some hemp seed, and then we're going to be using some baking powder. Baking powder is the leavening agent. That's what gives the waffles the rise, but we're also adding baking soda. Baking soda changes the pH, and that's going to help the waffles get a nice brown golden colour. And just let this go for a couple of minutes, and because we've added the baking powder and baking soda, that's going to mix in as well. As we look in, we can see that it's ground nicely. We're going to add 1 cup of egg whites, which are packed with protein, and some vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful background note to the waffle. We're also going to be using a small amount of brown sugar, which helps them crisp up, but also gives them a caramel flavour. And then the bananas are going to add potassium. They're also going to add a lovely sweetness to the waffle so we can reduce the sugar down. Now turn this on and let it go for a minute or so. And as you look at this, it will have this nice consistency. The consistency should be almost like a yogurt, and that's a good consistency. I've preheated my waffle iron. It's always important to preheat the waffle iron. It stops the batter from sticking, but also it helps the waffle become nice, airy and light. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of the mixture to the waffle iron. 1 cup will make a 7-inch waffle. Yours may change depending on the size of your waffle maker. Just spreading it out so we get even cooking. I'm going to close the lid and let this cook until the waffle iron beeps, usually about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to turn this around and open it up. You'll see that it's got this lovely golden colour. Just look at the rise on that. Perfect. I'm so happy. I like to serve this with that maple orange sauce, and this breakfast pairs well with a delicious chilled glass of Tropicana pure premium orange juice, which is 100% of your daily value of vitamin C. Enjoy.